Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable daily malware scans on siteground. I'll just tap on my Safari browser. Before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan. And if you want to buy the premium or subscription of siteground, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me after creating your account. So how can I enable the site scanner settings? To access the site scanner tool, go to your website's site tools, security, then site scanner. So after next, you will see the select the malware scanner. Just tap on it. You can also view details information about the infection and access the cleanup options immediately through the site tools security. So site scanner, so the notification will be appear under the new scan section. So just tap on it. So after just tap on this automatic scan, in automatic scan you will find for daily option. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.